Hi, I wanted to give you a little sample of what this thing sounds like. This is the 1979 Gibson Les Paul Deluxe, Custom. It's got the ebony fretboard. You can see it's got that beautiful age look that only the originals get. And I want to walk you through what this thing sounds like clean. We're going through a Fender Hot Rod DeVille 410. Volume's not too loud because there's people in my house, but I do have all the settings: bass, treble, middle, at noon, and I have just a slight touch of reverb. So we're going to run through a few chords using the bridge pickup. And now we're going to the middle position with both pickups on. And then we're going to go with the neck pickup. It's got a nice bassy sound with it, like all these New Orleans era guitars do. This is a beautiful guitar. I'll put a little distortion on it, you know, that's I'm not crazy about this pedal. It's a DS1, it's a cheap Boss pedal, but anyway, it'll give you an idea of what it sounds like with a little grit. And let's see, we can do a little clean too. Don't let the guitar playing scare you off. There are no dead notes anywhere on this fretboard. Sounds great. The neck is as straight as an arrow. Yeah, not many of these around. Only 200 made between late 78 and the early 80s when they discontinued production, and they're going fast. So hope it goes to a great home. Thank you.